Yesterday, I didn't upload a video. And few months ago, I would have taken that sign as I've failed and quit altogether. But recently, I've been learning something very important, that missing one day doesn't mean you've failed. Hi, I am Akriti, and today we'll be discussing why missing one day doesn't mean that you've failed. Life happens: birthdays, family events, unexpected plans. And if you miss something which you're gonna do because of all these things, that doesn't mean that you have done something wrong. You can start it tomorrow. For example, yesterday I didn't make a video because I had relatives at my home, and later in the evening I have to make any videos because they were relatives at my home and I was really enjoying with them, and later in the evening I had to go somewhere really important, so I couldn't make the video. But that doesn't mean I'm not gonna make it anymore, and I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Even if I woke up 11 a.m. in the morning, that doesn't mean that this exercise scheduled at 6 a.m. will never happen. It will happen right now. Perfection isn't consistency, and consistency isn't 100%. Consistency basically means that returning from what you have missed. It's okay that you missed something today. It's okay you didn't do the exercise today. Do it tomorrow very positively. Okay that you didn't wake up 5 a.m. to study today. Wake up tomorrow. Try to wake up tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Try to wake up day after tomorrow. Keep on doing it, and you will see that you will be able to do it very soon if you try. Because the real failure is quitting. Missing one day, it's okay. You can try that tomorrow. But completely forgetting or giving up on things is something which is creating a problem here. It doesn't matter that whatever. I have always told myself that okay, if I have made a timetable and it was written on the timetable that I have to wake up at this time and I straight away have to exercise. But as soon as I woke up in the next morning, I was not able to do the exercise. Instead, I was with my mother. So that doesn't mean that I will not be doing the exercise anymore. Maybe I'll try my best to do that tomorrow, right? So I'll somehow do it because that is what written in my schedule or something which I have decided for myself that I'm gonna do it. So I'm definitely gonna do it, no matter if the timing was changed or something. So what really matters here is that you are returning back to the things, not completely giving up on things. And this is what I remind myself every time. As we all know that progress builds over months. Like, we are going to a gym and we are pointing over a specific kind of physique. So to attain that physique, it takes months, and that consistency actually makes it possible to attain that kind of physique, right? So it is similar to the habits and what you do. If you consistently do it without getting bored, or even if you miss doing it 1 or 2 days, that doesn't matter. You could start again. So it takes time, but the results are often fulfilling and which will satisfy you. I'm learning that success isn't about never missing a day, but it's about coming back after you do.